The 100W LED Grow light bulb from FlowLamp offers an impressive solution for indoor plant enthusiasts. Featuring 150 high-efficiency 2835 SMD LED chips, this grow light provides a full spectrum of light, combining 145 warm light LEDs with 5 blue light LEDs. This spectrum is designed to closely mimic natural sunlight, which helps improve photosynthesis and promotes robust plant growth. With its 160-degree beam angle, the light efficiently covers a larger area, making it suitable for various indoor plants such as vegetables, flowers, succulents, bonsai, and pot plants. One of the standout features of this grow light is its effective heat dissipation. The metal aluminum radiator shell, combined with an umbrella-shaped design, ensures that heat is dissipated efficiently, which helps in maintaining optimal performance. Although the light consumes about 20 W of actual power, it's equivalent to a traditional 100W bulb, offering a balance between low power consumption and high luminous efficiency. This translates to longer service life and better energy efficiency. Installation is straightforward with a standard E26/E27 socket, meaning you can use it with most regular light fixtures. The lamp boasts a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, promising durability and long-term use. FlowLamp stands behind their product with a 12-month warranty and a 30-day return guarantee, ensuring customer satisfaction. If you have any questions or issues, their support team is responsive and ready to assist. Overall, the FlowLamp 100W LED Grow light bulb is a top choice for anyone looking to boost their indoor gardening efforts with a reliable, full-spectrum light source.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.